Hi, I am going to play this video to show how an affiliate can earn up to $300,000 yearly with Exemplary marketing. Affiliate marketers have a very big opportunity with Exemplary marketing and can earn a lot of money by promoting our products and services. Let me show you 4 steps you have to do to be an affiliate marketer. First of all, go to that Exemplary Marketing affiliate page and register as an affiliate marketer with your email address and payment address which you want to receive the payment on, like PayPal or Payoneer. I have already registered as an affiliate marketer on the side, so I simply click on the Login button to log in as an affiliate marketer. The next step after registering or after creating an account on Exemplary Marketing is to promote our products and services. How you can promote our products and services of Exemplary Marketing. Here are the simple steps we have mentioned on our website's page on how to sell products, and we have already mentioned all sorts of few questions, which you can see after clicking on the bottom of the affiliate when you register. So let me show you how you can promote the services of Exemplary Marketing. First of all, you have to generate a link which service you want to promote. For example, I want to promote SEO services. I will copy that link of the service and then will generate a referral link for the specific services. So, when the Generate Link page will open, what I will do, I will paste the link in the page URL box and click on the Generate button. After clicking on the Generate button, I will get a unique referral URL, which I will share on a different platform and can make money. I will copy this link by clicking on the Copy button, and what I will do next is to make money. And I will share this URL on social media via email marketing, running ads, blog posts, and banner ads. There are different ways we can share the referral link on a different platform. Let me show you how you can share the referral link on social media, like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Instagram, and YouTube. You just need to create an account on Facebook, Twitter, and you can create all these social networking sites and promote the link on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Instagram, and YouTube. So let me show you on some platforms how you can share. You can join different groups on Facebook, large groups where a lot of people's there and can click on your referral link, and you can even create a page for your services which Exemplary Marketing is offering. So let me show you how you can share the referral link. You can copy the link and paste in the newsfeed box and can post this link. When you post the link, the post will be in that group, and at this time, my post is pending and awaiting for admin approval. So when it's approved, the people will see my post and click on that. And if someone purchases the service and product, then I will make money. Like this, you can share on your Twitter account publicly, and you can even select a photo to this link and someone clicks this link and buy the services from Exemplary Marketing, then you will get your money. Similar that you can share on LinkedIn, Pinterest, Instagram, and can make a video on YouTube and can have this type of links in that description. So let me show you the second way of sharing the product URL and referral URL. Email marketing. Email marketing is the right way to make money online, and you can simply go to different websites and extract email address from the website and can send them to email directly via your email, Gmail, Yahoo, or Hotmail, or anything you can use any platform. But you can send them an email on the email which they have mentioned on their website, and you can even directly send the message. For example, Phillips Andrews, exemplary@yahoo.com, high-quality SEO services. Exemplary Marketing is a leading SEO company in the USA. Click on the link above to check their SEO services. When someone receives your email, if he or she is interested in that product, they will buy and you will be under commission. So, one of those important is the way to send an email once to a lot of recipients. You can use any tools like MailChimp. You can use MailChimp, and you can even send email to 2,000 email addresses without any cost for free. And you can see their prices as well to send a lot of email addresses at once. So you can send this link by writing a beautiful email, or you can create a template for Exemplary Marketing products. So the next step to share the referral link is blog posts. How you can share the referral link by a blog post? Let me show you. You can write a blog post and can publish on your website or any other websites and can include the referral link in that box. Like this. If someone clicks on this link, it will direct to the Exemplary Marketing website SEO page. So if someone clicks on that link used, shared, and referral link, then via our services, you will make money and under commission like that. So this is the way you can promote our link via blog post. Running ads is a great way to make money instantly. You can use the Google Ads platform to promote our links and make money. You can even use the Facebook Ads platform to show our services whether referral links are to allow to our audiences. So, this is one of the best ways to promote our services by running ads. Banner ads is also a good way to commission referral link. What is a banner ad? Let me show you the banner. You can see here is the advertisement heading and here is the banner. If someone clicks on this, it will go to the best agencies I've signed. In this way, if someone buys the services, he will make the money. Here you can see at the end of the post, we have an added banner, i.e. if someone click on this, it will go to the websites. This is an example of the banner ads. And others. We can create YouTube videos and a lot of platforms where we can share and we could make a lot of money, even on WhatsApp. We can send to our friends and family and we can send them via text messaging. We can share the links and we should make a lot of money. So the last question is how an affiliate gets paid and how to upload payment info. When an affiliate marketer will make money and earn money after sharing the referral link, he will see here total earnings, affiliate rate, total paid, total refunded, balance, visits, conversion rate, and so on. For example, the referral link got clicks. He can see the traffic to the referral link in the dashboard, commission, payments, and he will come and do the certain for your payment email address. For example, when a user shares a product link, he will see here how many clicks he has got and how many sales he has received, and how many commissions he has on, something like that. This is the settings option on the website from the dashboard, and if he wants to change his payment email address, he can go to the second bottom and he can update the payment email address here. So these are the simple steps an affiliate marketer can get paid. We can pay an affiliate marketer via PayPal, Payoneer, and other major option he can use the popular platform for the payment. So thanks for watching the video.